So let's take a quick recap about procedural road system. So under the tutorials, we have discussed the core subsystem and blueprints on the procedural road system. And then we discuss about how you can construct different roads. So we have one-way roads, two-way roads, things like that. And then we talked about road intersections, such as crossroads, T-intersections, like that. And the dynamic weather effects, like rainy or sunny weather and how they can affect the road, we discussed on the fourth one. And time of the day effects, which means at the night time or the daytime, the set of variations should be happen on the road network, such as at the night time, vehicle headlights and street lights should be turned on, and at the daytime they should be turned off. And then we talked about the AI capabilities for the both vehicles and pedestrians, so they can be spawned on the road accordingly. And then considering the optimizations, we talked about smart spawning. There we discuss about how player proximity based spawning and occlusion happens for the level optimizations. And then we talked about the zone specific configurations, where you can cluster your level in the specific zones so that based on the zones, the pedestrian or vehicle spawnings can be done. Right. So now at the implementation, let's enable all of these features at once and see how it works on runtime. Okay, so this is my zones map. So I'll take a duplicate and I'll create a map called recap, right? And essentially this is exact same thing, but here I just wanted to show you all the features at once and how they're running to synchronize properly, right? Right, so here first at the TOD manager, let's enable dynamic TOD, and on the level manager, let's enable smart spawning, and I will enable the debug UI as well. And in PC manager, there is nothing I have to do, but at the weather manager, I can enable the dynamic weather, right? And also let's place some buildings so it will look nice. So at the blueprints, if you check out the buildings, here I have added 4 different buildings, so you can place them accordingly on the level, right? So this is sort of like a financial building, so you can randomize it actually. So simply click on this randomize size zone construct. So whenever you change its orientation, it will make a dynamic change, right? So likewise, let's place some buildings here and there, and I will enable randomize zone construct for all, and let's take a duplicate like this, place it in different places so that we have different buildings. And you can control their rotations as well, like this, right? Then let's select all the buildings and disable the randomize size zone construct so that we can change their orientation a little bit like this without affecting its size. So it's totally up to you. You can create any type of buildings that you want. So this is just for the prototyping purposes, right? You may have your own procedural building system as well, so you can simply integrate those stuff on top of the procedural road system as well, right? So now if I play, you can see there are a set of buildings, and similarly I will copy these buildings to here as well and randomize on construct and disable their randomizations, and copy it here, randomize on construct, disable it again, and copy it here, randomize, then disable it. Right, so you can rotate them a little bit like this. It's totally up to you. Maybe like this. Yeah, this would be fine. And where is our player start? Right, so this is my player start, and here maybe I will add a vehicle so I can drive it along the level. Maybe off-road vehicle at here, sport vehicle at here. Okay, all good. And let's play. Right, now you can see the time of the day is changing. So here you can see like the shadow is slowly getting decreased, and raining also started, and the smart spawning has been done like this. So the pedestrians and vehicles are spawning, and you can wander around the level as well. And also you can see the district as well. So currently that's downtown district. This is Market Street. This is Financial Quarter. And this is Old Town. And here on top of the screen you can see the NPC count and the vehicle count. So it's close to 10, right? Because we have defined the maximum NPC and vehicle count to that specific range. So it won't exceed that amount. Right, so let's wait until it become night time. Okay, right, now it's night time. So the sun goes away and moon should appear. And here you can see now the vehicle headlights has been automatically turned on as well, because it's night time. And if you add street lights, they should also appear at the night time. Okay, so that's all about the procedural road system. And yeah, so you can create multiple different complex road systems in your level as you wanted, to maybe like implement a city level, or maybe like an old town, something like that. Okay, so that's about the tutorials, and I'll see you there. Thank you. And one other thing to notice is that if you face any bugs or issues, feel free to reach us out. We will drop our contacts at the description. And also if you need new features, you can refer to those as well. So yeah, hope you enjoy this product. I'll see you there. Thank you.